Keeping your Google Chrome history clean is a great way to protect your privacy and free up browsing records you no longer need. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, Chrome makes it quick and easy to remove your browsing history in just a few taps. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can clear your Chrome history without deleting anything you want to keep. Open the Google Chrome applications on your phone. Once Chrome launches, tap the three-dot menu, More icon, located in the top right corner of the screen. This opens a list of browser options and settings. Next, tap History to view all the websites you've recently visited. From there, select Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data, depending on your version of Chrome. You'll now see several options for deleting your browsing information. Tap Time Range and choose how much history you want to erase. If you would like to completely remove your browsing history, select All Time. If you only want to delete recent activity, you can choose options like the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or last 4 weeks. Make sure the checkbox next to browsing history is selected. If you only want to remove your history, uncheck other options such as cookies and site data, cached images and files, and saved passwords so those items remain on your device. Finally, tap Delete Data or Clear Data, then confirm your choice if prompted. Chrome will instantly remove the selected browsing history from your phone. If you're signed in with Chrome Sync enabled, the deleted history may also be removed from your other synced devices. Your Chrome history is now cleared, giving you a little more privacy and a cleaner browsing experience. Stay tuned for more simple phone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.